And welcome back to Arcadia Junction model trains. Here is the GUF electric class CC21000, more or less fixed up now into this, and a sympathetic restoration replacement of the pantographs. I think there should be 3 pantographs on this because this was a multi-voltage, multi-territory loco. And here you can see the GUF coaches, the Trans-Euro Express ones that I wanted the loco repaired to pull. The baggage at the end, the baggage generator car actually at the end there is a shorty. It should be the same length as the other coaches, but I'm not bothered by that on my small layout. And my main thing was to get this working, to get the locomotive running, and I've done that. It's very, very noisy. There's not a lot I can do about that. It still has plenty of pulling power. It has a fast startup and basically a quick stop, and this is just the limitations of the GUF motor, coupled with the strange pickup system they have where you have 2 prongs on the top of the wheels that collect the current and then pass them through some collectors into the motor. But all in all, I'm delighted with this. It looks great. It's much better than it was, and it's done. Another thing I want to show here is for Patrick, a Patrick model asked me about this Marklin E424 electric. I got the brushes for it, and as you can see, it's running fine. I'm going to wait till I have the coaches set up. I'm going to do an Italian Fiesta, running all the models together with the coaches, both AC and DC. Another thing in this video, and perhaps Railway 187 can help me out here, I've been taking a big interest in Russian models from watching this channel, and they're incredibly expensive. So when I had the chance to pick up this Russian stock car, quite a nice detailed model for a few euros, because one of the bogies was broken, one of the trucks was broken, I jumped on it. My intention is to create a small Russian passenger or freight set that, you know, part of the internationalization of my layout. The roof is interesting. It looks like felted over, and there's the broken bogie, easy enough to fix. It's an arch bar truck, American style, and it's got detail on the inside where you can see the stockade part to hold the animals in. The lettering is quite crisp, the molding is pretty good, but there's no name of any manufacturer on this model. So perhaps either Railway 187 or any of you who model Russian railways can help me out here. I'm quite chuffed I got this, even if I don't manage to make a Russian locomotive to pull this. Maybe we can say it made its way into Eastern Europe. It's got, look, HO trucks too. It doesn't have Russian trucks. So a bit of a mystery here and a bit of fun for the future, and the start of my Russian collection, hopefully.